Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix vMix error attempted to read or write protected memory. Alright, let's begin. If you see this error, don't worry. First, change graphics settings. Open the search box in Windows and search for NVIDIA Control Panel. Open it and wait for it to load. Expand 3D settings by clicking the plus icon, then select Manage 3D Settings. Go to Program Settings, find vMix, and under Preferred Graphics Processor, select Integrated Graphics instead of the dedicated GPU. Click Apply and restart vMix. If the issue continues, update or roll back graphics drivers. Open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, right-click your GPU, select Properties, then go to the Driver tab. Click Update Driver or Roll Back Driver if updating fails. Restart your PC and check vMix. So that's basically how you can fix vMix error, attempted to read or write protected memory. And that's it for this video.